Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add indicator on TradingView application. To add an indicator on TradingView application using mobile device, first of all, open your TradingView app on your device and make sure you log into your account as well. After you're inside the main watchlist page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the menu button, go ahead and tap on your username at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner and this will open up the Edit Profile section. Tap on your current username, erase it and type down a new username you want to change to and click on Save at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your username on TradingView mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.